How to make money via TeraBox. Can't wait to join TeraBox Referral program and make money? It's really easy. There are only 3 steps. First, register and join the program. Second, upload and share your files. Last, withdraw your money anytime. This video will show you more details. Come to learn and earn money now. First, enter the official website and register a TeraBox account. When you have done registration, you will log in automatically. Please click here and you will enter Webmaster Center. There are 3 plans to make money. Please choose one to start. New Users Plan. By sharing file links, for every new user you bring in, you get 12 cents. Video Plays Plan. By sharing a video, for every 1,000 plays, you get $1.30. Premium Purchase Plan. If the user purchased premium through your sharing link, you will get a rewards of 50% of the standard premium price. After you join our plan successfully, click here to share files and earn rewards. And then click here to upload your files. You can upload all kinds of files, like documents, videos, photos, and audios. After uploading successfully, click here and copy the generated link. You can share them on your website and social media. You can share them wherever people come together, like Facebook groups and forums. Finally, don't forget to describe the files you're sharing. You can see your money at Webmaster Center. Please know that the cash rewards are updated each day, and it is statistics of the previous day. The URL is accessible on PC and smartphone. Click here to withdraw your money. You can withdraw at any time without handling fees. The process is super easy and fast. Look forward to your participation. Money waits for no man. The earlier you start, the better your chances of earning more.